2.2 Water by Alessandra Cal and Jaden Song.
Water is polar. Hydrogen and oxygen atoms within water molecules form polar covalent bonds. Shared electrons are much associated with oxygen than hydrogen. There is a slight positive charge on each hydrogen atom and a slight negative charge on the oxygen atom. These charges make the positive hydrogen atom and the negative oxygen atom repel each other. It forms the shape on the right.
Water is polar. Continue. Water attracts other water molecules because of the positive and negative charges. It also attracts other polar molecules, sugars, forming hydrogen bonds. When hydrogen bonds are formed with water and a substance, it dissolves in water. This is hydrophilic, meaning water-loving. Hydrogen bonds don't form with nonpolar substances, oils and fats. Nonpolar compounds are hydrophobic, meaning water-fearing. They do not dissolve in water, and the figure shows a macroscopic image of water and oil.
Water stabilizes temperature. Hydrogen bonds in water allow it to absorb and then release heat energy more slowly than the other substances. Temperature measures motion, this kinetic energy of molecules. When motion increases, energy is higher and therefore the temperature is higher. Water absorbs lots of energy before the temperature rises. Increased energy disrupts the hydrogen bonds. Since the bonds can be easily broken and created, water absorbs energy and temperature increase minimally. So water moderates temperature changes in organisms. When energy input continues, balance between hydrogen bonds swings toward destruction. Therefore, more bonds are broken than formed. This leads to the release of single water molecules at the surface. This is done through the process of evaporation. This is the same slide.
Water stabilizes temperature. Continued. When molecular motion decreases and temperature drops, less energy is there to break the hydrogen bonds between water molecules. When they do not break apart, they form into a rigid lattice-like structure, or ice. In bodies of water, ice will form on the surface, creating an insulating barrier to protect life forms in the water from freezing. If not for this, life in cold temperatures would be difficult or impossible.
Water is an excellent solvent. Water is polar with slight positive and negative charges. Ionic compounds and polar molecules can readily dissolve in it. A solvent is a substance capable of dissolving another substance. The polarity of the water molecules makes it an effective solvent and is important in its many roles in living systems.
Water is cohesive. Water forms a dome-like shape above the rim of a water cup if filled to the top. This means that water is cohesive. In cohesion, water molecules are attracted to each other, keeping the molecules together even though there's no more room in the cup. Cohesion gives rise to surface tension, capacity of a substance to withstand rupture when placed under tension or stress.
Water is cohesive. Continued. Cohesive forces are also related to the water's property of adhesion. This is the attraction between water molecules and other molecules. Cohesive and adhesive forces are important for sustaining life.
Thank you.